My name is Tara Reed. I run a $1 million business teaching people how to build their own apps, and of course I run my own software companies too. I've got a crazy dream of helping thousands of people, creating generational wealth, and living my life to its fullest. I'm always working on some kind of crazy project, and so I figured I would let you in on the madness. Here we go. I'm learning.
Was it?
I'm learning.
As it should be.
You tired? Give me your handsome face. Oh yeah, that's how you get the ladies. Morning. Just woke up. I immediately started feeling guilty about not having stuff to do today because Wednesday is my off day.
You have a problem with doing nothing.
Yeah, I do.
Some people just scroll social media. Some people play video games. Some people like go for a walk or whatever. So is there something else that you can replace in there that you really, really enjoy where you don't feel that way?
Where I don't feel bored or guilty.
Yeah, where you don't feel bored. Like I go to the rooftop and I lay out by the pool and it's like, yeah. But I absolutely don't feel guilty about it. Like that was the life that went into the lifestyle design of what I wanted to be able to do whenever I wanted to do it.
Right. So I used my this thing I decided to do after my call with Al yesterday, where I decided to pick one fun thing and one work thing to do every day, and just as long as I get those two things done, just be happy with that. So my one fun thing is I'm gonna go to an art gallery today, and my one work thing is I'm gonna complete the homepage for the new app and product that we're going to launch. So those are my two things, and if I get those done, then I can chill. Hi. Oh my God. I don't know if you remember me. Hi, Tara. Good to see you. This is the building that I purchased a couple months ago. So I got a bunch of contractors coming over and doing little things on the property. So one of the units was reserved to be mine. And since I'm living with my boyfriend now, we are gonna Airbnb this place out. It makes the most financial sense. Today's the last day. I'm just moving stuff around, doing a load of laundry, and then I'm gonna fully hand it over to the Airbnb property management company. The guy came today to take the stuff to the Goodwill, the extra stuff I had around, and I guess I gave him the wrong address. Hi. I'm so sorry about that. How are you? I think I'm a little bit dyslexic. Like legit, I reversed 2 numbers in the address. Okay, let's check this out. And then the lock for getting in the door wasn't working. I don't really know why. I think the Airbnb management company reset the lock because we're getting ready to have tenants come in. All right, sorry about that. I don't know why it's not working. Okay. All right, so we are going to but I'm just doing this while I'm swamped with other stuff. So the other thing is that I'm trying to launch in 2 weeks a new software product, and I haven't started yet. So we're gonna go from idea to actually launched and in customers' hands in 2 weeks. So wish me luck. I was watching the Bill Gates thing. Bill Gates was talking about if he was arrogant or not. And he was like, I mean, you know, there's a certain kind of arrogance that comes with being in your 20s and running a successful company with thousands of employees and da-da-da. Olivia turns around and she goes like, that sounds kind of like you.
The truth can hurt you sometimes. The truth can hurt you. Like hot sauce in your eyes.